Hi guys, welcome, thanks for joining my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you a quick preview of this office chair I bought from Amazon. So this chair comes in two colors, brown or black. I actually got it in black. I was lucky enough to get it. It's out of stock currently. I got it for 180 American or 220 Canadian. I'll show you a quick preview of what it looks like on Amazon. So it's saying it's fully adjustable for the armrest. Has rocking function up to 115 degrees from 90 degrees. The material is leather and is water resistant. The leather is breathable. The chair is height adjustable. Has excellent back support and it's comfortable. The casters is silent rolls and it has high quality lift. The maximum support weight capacity of this chair is 250 pounds. If you guys are interested in this chair, I'll leave the links in the description below. This is a pretty nice looking leather chair. Has breathable leather section where you don't sweat when you work. The armrests are adjustable. You can put them all the way back when you don't want to use them. So here's the side view. Back looks like this. The height of the seat is about 18.5. When raised to the max, it's about 22.5. This chair, you can lock the tail. And to unlock it, you just pull the handle out. And the maximum tilt is 115 degrees. But you're not able to lock the tilt in position. So if I want to have the tilt to stay like this, I can't lock it. So that's the only downside of this chair. Rotates 360 pretty well. The rollers are pretty smooth. Very comfortable. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Peace out until next time.